Annyeonghaseyo, Nika. Okay, since you're here from the school, I take you a video. And Kanji Hanin give you one sack of 25 kilos and 8 pieces of spam and 1 milk and 1 box of ramen and 10 and 4,000 pesos. Please receive. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so for Teacher Gretchel, so since you are conducting a special class with Anna, so you are having 1,000 pesos. That is kanang snacks na ninyo every kanang class, every session. So, and that is from We Paramnim.
We Paramnim, kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, kamsahamnida.